Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today's Hump Day, Wednesday, September 29th, almost end of the month here. So let's take a look at the news. Really no new economic news released today. Stock market is down a little bit, and we got basically a lot of protests around the EU on austerity measures, where a lot of people just don't want all those cutbacks and being told what to do in Europe. So the last time this kind of happened, a lot of that is kind of transferred money into the bond market. So the bond market is kind of usually uh, spiked upwards, so that helps mortgage rates. So this could be obviously bad news for economic news, but good for the bond market. The last couple of treasuries we've had auctions, they've gone well. So look towards this auction that for flight of safety, that money might be moved into there, and you might see some improvement in the bonds later on. But currently, we're actually down about 9 basis points. We've hit a little bit up and then down even further, and we pulled back. We were actually at one point minus 15, 18 basis points, and now we're about -9. So that could easily go the opposite direction and upwards. The big news week this week would be well, we got a couple of things. We got a lot of them coming up tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow we got the GDP revision, the final revision for the second quarter. That's gonna be big. They're going to find out where that could make or break the bond market, go upwards or downwards. We got the initial jobless claims, of course. That's going to be something they're going to watch. And we also got manufacturing in Chicago at the Chicago PMI. Friday we also have the consumer sentiment, I believe it is, and and consumer spending. So we got a lot of different things, or actually we don't have the consumer sentiment. Excuse me, we have the consumer spending and such. So this way we'll kind of really see some news these next 2 days. So be prepared. Like I said, there's no news releases today, so we'll keep it short and sweet. Anything major comes up, I will definitely keep you up to date. You guys have a great day.